Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here. Welcome to another episode of SEO Tips and Tricks. This is the second video in the series, and today we're going to discuss about how to find the top traffic generating keywords from your website or any other website. So let's take a look. Into SEMrush and choose the domain that you want to find the keywords and any other information for. This is what you see. So I've chosen SEMrush just for fun's sake. So once you click on SEMrush, you will get to see the domain overview like this. And once you come down to the top organic keywords part over here, what you need to do is click on the view full report, and then that'll take you to all the top keywords that this particular website is ranking for on Google. And in that, what you need to do is go into the filters over here, click on advanced filters and say include keywords traffic greater than, let's say 1000. Okay, and then you click on apply. Basically what it does is it filters down all the keywords and shows you only the keywords that has traffic more than 1000 in number. So what you see here is all the keywords. There's only 3, by the way, on SEMrush. One is SEMrush pricing, which has about 1040, and then there's 39,600 branded searches for SEMrush, and then there's 2010 searches for Yandex. So if you bring down that number a little bit, let's say 500, so including traffic greater than 500 is the filter currently applied. So what that means is it'll show all the keywords from SEMrush.com that has a traffic of more than 500. So let's click on apply and see what it suggests. So SEMrush.com is again a branded keyword. Then there's SEMrush pricing, like I mentioned, SEMrush, the main branded keyword. What is schema? Title generator. These two are interesting keywords. So what is schema? Has about 572 searches on Google, or actual traffic on Google. Search volume is different. This is the actual traffic the website gets. And the search volume out here in this column is about 4,400 for SEM on Google. So for that, they're getting about 572 actual visits from Google and other search engines. Title generator has about 9,900 searches in terms of search volume on Google, and it's getting about 693 in actual visits to SEMrush.com. So that is a beautiful way of finding out what are the top traffic generating keywords for any website, including yours or any other website that you want to. Actually, what you need to do is, if you don't have SEMrush, go into SEMrush and sign up for their demo. You get a 14-day demo, and you get to plug in whichever website you want to find traffic for, and then just follow the instructions just like I mentioned here, and you will get to the data that you want. See you in another video.